Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is great and staying safe. So today we are doing an unboxing and try on of the LUVME here. So let's open up the package. All right, so when you open the package, you see the hair. We'll get to that in a minute, but there's a little note that says enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. I just love the personalized touch. You get 2 wig caps in the box, and I'm seeing a little package here. Well, it's like a pencil case, so let's open that up. Once I open this up, I got a hair tie. So it's actually like I don't remember the name. You use it to hold on your wigs when you're putting it on. Don't remember the name right now. I got that. I got a edge brush, which is always great. You can never have too much of these. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Then I'm showing you guys purple, because purple is their theme. And then I got this. At first I didn't know what it was. I was like wondering, what is this? But then I opened it up, and it's actually a cute little travel size mirror. I think it's so cute. I love the design, and they have their name engraved on the back as well as in the case, and it's just so cute. It definitely went in my purse. And then there is this little pamphlet on questions about your hair, how to care for your hair, frequently asked questions. There is a return slip as well as their return policy. So if you want all that, you just go ahead and read it. So let's jump into the hair, because that's what you're here for. All right, so this is actually LUVME Hair 10-inch super curly hair with bangs. And I'm gonna tell you guys right out the bat, the hair is soft, just like the previous wig that they sent me. The hair is super soft. I'm telling you, it's really good quality hair. I really love the feel of it, the look of it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this onto my head. But before I do so, I'm gonna show you guys it comes with 3 combs. That's 2 near your ear tabs and 1 in the back, and it also comes with a not adjustable strap in the back to keep the wig snug onto your head. Now let's try this girl on and see what she looks like. All right, so this is what she is looking like, guys. Let me tell you this. What I love most about this hair, it is so easy to throw on, especially now given that it's summertime. You know, it's hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it using some water, a little bit of shine, and some mousse to get the curls popping. And I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like in just a second. So yeah, let's just transform this wig from this to this. And so you have to go ahead and fluff it up because it looks a little bit, you know, like dead. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my fingers through it to give it a little bit of volume. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough this. It's summertime. I don't know about you guys, but it's super hot where I'm at, and I just love the fact that this wig is so easy to throw on and throw off. Literally, it doesn't even take a minute to take the wig off and put it back on. So convenient, and you can do this anywhere you are at. I'm gonna show you guys how quick and easy it is to take off and put on your wig in just a second. And I just want to show you guys what it's looking like. I am loving it. If you can tell, it feels good, it looks good. Yeah, and it's just ready to go. I'm gonna give you guys a twirl to show you what the back looks like and the side profile. I love this unit. Yes. All right, so let's get into this now. So I'm gonna take it off my head, right? And see, it comes off very easily. No hard, no struggle, no nothing. Super easy to do. And in less than 30 seconds, boom, the wig is back onto my head. How amazing is that, guys? Don't forget, I have a discount code for you. It is JordanChrome, so please put that in at checkout to get 10% off your purchase. Every mickle makes a muckle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, as well as if you have this wig, let me know down below in the comment section what are your thoughts on the wig. Until next time, guys, bye.